For as low as 16,000 pesos per month, you can own a piece of Nuvali located at Avida's newest project at the highest elevation point of Nuvali with Tagaytay weather. I present you Crisela of Avida only here in Nuvali, Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. What a way to start our new year, because for as low as 16,000 pesos per month or $217 per month, you can own a piece of Nuvali at Avida's highest elevation point, their newest project, Crisela. So kung naghahanap kayo on an affordable side pero maganda yung market value appreciation in the future, kasi ang mga katabi niyang development is Sereneo by Alveo, Mondia, malapit din siya sa mga Ayala Land Premier projects, which is their top tier developer or development ng Ayala Land Corporation. Madadamay po itong si Crisela sa pag market value appreciate in the future. And napakaganda nito because aside from lot only na pwede nyong mabili, meron din silang house and lot option. So tara, ikutin natin to. Napakaganda ng area, ang lamig dito sa area na to, Mag-road trip muna tayo papunta dito kay Crisela. We are now entering Nuvali. So Nuvali is the largest development of Ayala here in the Philippines. It is 2,500 hectares. That's why it's comprised of 3 major cities here in Laguna, namely Santa Rosa, Calamba, and Cabuyao City. And if you're not familiar pa sa buong lugar ni Nuvali, so 4 segments po siya. We have Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. And of course, kung nasan tayo ngayon, dito pinakasikat dahil dito tayo talagang gumagala, if we're not a resident of Nuvali, gusto lang natin magala dito sa area, this is their first commercial development in which nandito si Solenad 1, 2, and 3, and at the same time, magkakaroon na ng Solenad 4. So under construction na po siya, and on our left naman, nandito yung 4-hectare man-made na lake dito sa area in which nandito yung mga koi na pwede kayong magpa-feed ng mga fishes, mag-boat ride, and of course, located din dito yung Seda Hotel, which is Ayala's hotel brand. Nandito rin nakalocate yung Nuvali Techno Hub, which is a 1.5-hectare development na magkakaroon ng mga BPO and IT companies here in the future. And yung mga nauna ditong development, of course, familiar na familiar sa atin si Uniqlo Roadside Store. Nandito rin si SNR, of course, si Lander, which is the 10th Landers here in the Philippines. And we have here Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf or CBTL. So aside from the Medical City South Luzon in the area, Nuvali has its own Ayala Hospital, which is si Healthway Qualimed na magkakaroon din ng kidney center sa tabi, in which it will be the very first kidney center in the Philippines outside Metro Manila. And nandito rin yung SM Yulo Premier, so imagine the SM Aura in BGC to cater the affluent market of the area. On our left is East Block, so the size of East Block is 11.7 hectares. So ano naman yung mangyayari dyan? Ito yung parang magiging commercial business district ng Nuvali na magkakaroon ng mga offices, and yung tapat nito, ito yung tatawagin nating North Central Business District or North CBD, which is 5 times the size of East Block. So it's about 58.5 hectares. So imagine having a mini BGC inside Nuvali. And ang maganda dito, hindi na talaga kayo lalabas if you bought a property here, if you're planning to build a family here in the South. Dito yung magiging place of residence nyo. Pagkaanak ng misis ninyo, mag-aaral yung mga anak nyo. We have Miriam College inside Nuvali. We have Everest International School. For middle school, we have De La Salle University Laguna campus, which is already an extension campus campus of Taft at meron silang bagong tayong building at napaka world class no ng bagong building nila dahil nga it is already an extension of DLSU Taft. We also have University of Santo Tomas, which is twice the size of UST Manila. It is 40 hectares and there is a rumor na magkakaroon ng National University sa tabi ng SMU Premier and sana matuloy din yung IKEA Philippines dito sa South. And bukod dyan, no, habang nag-aaral sa college, no, yung anak ninyo hindi na rin lalayo dahil after ng college, of course, marami na tayong business districts dito, not just inside Nuvali. Of course, we have Santa Rosa Business Park inside Greenfield City and Broadfield in the Binyan area where Savina Park is located near De La Salle University. And dito naman sa rotonda na to, unang-una nating pagpasok on our right is the Kasile going to Tagaytay Highlands. And then dito naman sa left, no, bago tayo lumiko dito sa kanan, nandito naman si Hana Garden Villas, which is a premium house and lot community here in the area. So ito, pumasok tayo dito sa area na to, nandito na tayo sa Nuvali Central, and as we drive, magkakaroon tayo ng central block. So imagine a 12-hectare high-end commercial area just like High Street in BGC. So hindi nyo na kailangang pumunta sa unahan if you are a resident here in Nuvali Central kasi dito sa loob, bumubuo din sila ng napakaraming commercial area to cater the needs of Nuvali residents. At isa na nga dito, yung Mary Mart at rumored na magkakaroon ng Ayala Land Premier na condo dito sa area. At pag kumanan tayo dito, as you can see, nandito si Xavier School Nuvali at nandito si Solara Park Stories Nuvali, which is the very first condominium at very first pet-friendly condo project here in the area. So if you are looking for a rental business, perfect to kasi if you have a house or retirement house at gusto mo magkaroon ng rental business dito na malapit sa property mo kung saan ka naka-reside or nagre-retire, malapit na malapit at napakadali lang i-manage. So on our left, napaka-unique no ng feature at kilalang-kilala natin yung fencing as you can see dito sa Rockwell South. Ito yung pinakaunang Rockwell development which is a high-end Rockwell development dito katabing-katabi ni Nuvali. So anong maganda dito no, since may Rockwell dito, talagang patuloy ang market value appreciation sa area. So this is a 60 to 70 hectare development, premium lots, underground electrical wirings, not just inside the subdivision but on the whole community of Rockwell. At meron silang tinatayo na premium house and lots dyan partnered by Tayo Architecture. They have their own country club and during weekends, nako-convert to sa Bizu restaurant. So imagine having a high-end living with Rockwell. At sinong nag-benefit ulit? Ang nagbe-benefit not just sa mga nakabili sa Rockwell, pero dahil nga accessible naman to. Kahit hindi kayo nakabili sa Rockwell, kahit dito kayo bumili kay Crisela, mai-enjoy niyo yung commercial development kasi magkakaroon ng rumor to be the next power plant mall si Rockwell dito sa area. So tabi-tabi lang sila. So ngayon, no, at the end of the road before we turn right, makikita natin ide-develop to as Nuvali Boulevard. So this is a 10-hectare alfresco mall. So imagine a tower and on top of it is a rooftop dining area na may view ng Mount Makiling, may view ng Tagaytay Ridge and Laguna Bay. So palapit na palapit kay Crisela, palapit din ng palapit ang mga commercial development. And on our right, no, habang papunta tayo kay Crisela, itong strip na to magiging Alveo Commercial Development din ito. So aside from it, hindi na natin na daanan, no, magkakaroon din tayo ng 31 hectare na play park. So marami tayong mga activation centers here, just like bike trails, driving range, communities, and a lot of green corridors. And we have a new event center here which is called Veranda Sunset. So if meron kayong mga events, you don't need to worry kasi meron na tayong event center here only inside Nuvali. So actually, we're here in the area, but yung pupuntahan natin ngayon, dahil kaka-lunch pa nga lang ni Crisela, wala pa siyang viewing deck. Pero dahil katabi lang siya ni Sereneo, actually, viewing deck to ni Sereneo. Pero pwede na rin natin itong gawing starting point, no? Or pwedeng ito yung area na tignan natin kasi magkatabi lang talaga sila. So we can show you, no, through the drone shot na talagang nandito lang si Crisela. Siya talaga yung may highest elevation point as of the moment na Avida project. Ang katabi niya is an Alveo community, malapit sa Miriam College at malapit sa mga ALP project. So, imagine you having a community na meron kayong view ni Laguna Bay, meron kayong view ni Mount Makiling, and meron kayong view ni Tagaytay Ridge for as low as 16,000 pesos per monthly down payment. Kasi ngayon, naka 44-month down payment or stretch down payment term si Avida, kaya murang-mura siya per month. And at the same time, napakaganda kasi ng magiging investment nyo kung mag-start kayo kasi kaka-launch lang po nito ni Crescela. And at the same time, nasabi ko nga kanina sa intro, meron silang lot only and house and lot package na. So, i-discuss natin to more of Crescela para mas magkaroon kayo ng familiarization kung ano yung magiging project. So, this is about 13.5 hectare development and mas exclusive siya. It is technically half the size nung mga naunang Avida projects dito. More exclusive ang advantage nito, mas magiging secured yung community nyo in the future. And of course, konti lang kayo sa subdivision. So, technically, 45% of the whole project is dedicated for open spaces. Maraming mga play parks, mga view corridors, mga open spaces, mga jogging path, and mga walkways. And at the same time, nakalocate siya sa Calamba area, which is, si Calamba is isa sa pinakamagandang city to live in right now outside Metro Manila. Kasi as you can see, ganito po yung weather dito, ganito kalinis yung hangin, and ang ganda ng mga lot cuts kay Crescela kasi if you are not looking for a very big lot cuts na katulad ng ino-offer ni Sereneo na minimum of 275 square meters, dito mga 100 square meters lang makakapagsimula ka na mag-invest. Kasi nga hindi mo naman kailangan na, uy, ito't agad yung dream property ko, Jaire. Gusto ko ganito kalaki yung property ko, yung lote ko, ganito kalaki yung bahay ko. Dadating tayo dyan. But sa mga nanonood ngayon, lalo na yung mga nag-start pa lang mag-invest sa real estate, magandang magsimula pa unti-unti. Start small. And then, malay nyo in the future, no, kakakolekta nyo habang tumataas ang ating salary, no, taon-taon, magkakaroon na din tayo ng opportunity na makarating dun sa stage 10 of real estate investment. Basta magsimula kayo sa umpisa kasi in the future naman, no, kapag gusto nyong i-flip itong property nyo sa Crescela, iba na rin naman yung price niya. So, sa house and lot niya, meron silang dalawang model. Yung unang model is si Solea model. So, si Solea model is their starting model house in which meron siyang 3 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath. And then the next model house is called Erin model in which 3 bedroom din siya pero meron siyang bedroom sa baba and at the same time, meron siyang master's bedroom na mas malaki kaysa kay Solea model with its own toilet and bath. Pero kapag gusto niyo naman mag-invest ng lot at gusto niyo patayo ng bahay, pwedeng-pwede for as long as ifa-follow natin yung kanilang house theme which is modern contemporary, which has a maximum height restriction of 9 meters from the highest land elevation point of your property. So I hope nagkaroon kayo ng medyo high level idea kay Crescela kahit na wala pa tayong napapakita, pero nakikita nyo ngayon, no, through their rendered material kung ano ang magiging itsura niya. This is an estate development of Avida. Meaning, siya yung top tier development of Avida kasi tatlo yan eh. We have estate, which is mga rolling terrain, which Crescela, nandito siya. Sa middle naman, settings, at yung pinakamababa is si village. So imagine you living in Alveo project pero mas maliliit yung lot cut, then perfect na perfect yung Crescela sa inyo. So if you want to submit a letter of intent, makaabot sa introductory price at maabutan nyo yung 44 months to pay for as low as 16,000 pesos per month or $270, please feel free to contact me through my Viber, iMessage, local number, and WhatsApp account. That's +6 3927 185 1590. For my business email, that's thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. You can also contact me through my Facebook page, that's The Property Geek, and you can directly message me on my personal Facebook account, add me, that's Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok. We are still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. So I hope matulungan ko kayong mag-invest dito dito sa Nuvali hanggat meron pang ganito kamura, kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin na, uy, sa Nuvali ako mag-invest, mahal na agad. Natutulungan tayo ng developer natin dahil nag-offer sila ng stretch down payment term at mas maliliit na lot cut. So let's start your real estate investment here in the Philippines. Contact me. I'm always here, Jair Mamaklay, your property geek, and feel this fresh air, Tagaytay breeze, only here in Metro City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Happy New Year, guys!